everyone, it's Lori here, your positivity princess. I am here spreading positivity and happiness. I have a YouTube channel called The Lori Show. Please, if you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button. And if you like anything you hear today, just give it a little thumbs up, just to give me a little help to grow, okay? So today I wanted to share with you guys a really cool tool that I've made, and I'm going to post it right here and then a little bit later on, okay? So I'm just gonna hold it up for a second and I'll post it, okay, so you can see it. Now this tool is called the Law of Attraction Cheat Sheet, and I'm going to put it on my website, and there's going to be a link below so you can get the printable PDF version of it. And it's not a draft. It is I guess you can call it a first version, okay? Because I want to make one that is a little more hands-on. I do believe performance-based anything is the best way to do something. If you want to learn and change, doing something or doing and acting is the best way to change. Now on this cheat sheet, it has a few different sections. So there is 5 easy methods using the law of attraction, and it's actually more methods that I ended up adding. So I'll have to adjust that. So things like visualizing before you go to sleep, using affirmations, that 17-second rule or trick that I did a video on a little while ago. I'll post that here. There's meditation, there's 55 by 5, there's 2 cups, which I'm doing a video on as well in a few days. That's going to be coming out. But this law of attraction cheat sheet, the reason it's useful and the reason it works is because it does answer some of the pitfalls or fallbacks that people experience when attempting to use the law of attraction in their favor. So one of the reasons that this works is because it reminds you through these methods that it's really important. Number 1 is to feel good when using the law of attraction, or when trying to get the law of attraction to work more effectively and efficiently for you. Generally speaking, you need to feel good as you can, as much as you can. So mentally, physically, and spiritually. And mentally being, the brain side of you where your thoughts live, physically being your body, your health, your nutrition, and your sleep, and spiritually being that you're meditating and really dealing with your higher self and your shadow self and all of these different parts of yourself. I guess that's the word I'm looking for. Okay, so you want to feel as good as you can, as often as you can. So I put here 10 easy ways to raise your vibration. So a lot of these you can use when you're not, if you're stuck in the house, or, if you're on isolation or just social isolation, you can still do these things. So it's not things like, go to a party. No, it's not on the list because we can't go to a party right now. Okay, second thing is to meditate and to go within and do that inner work. I saw a video by Gem Goddess the other day about dealing with your shadow self, and it was really deep and beautiful. But I do think that that's really important, to stop putting it off and really use this time to go inside yourself and say, what am I struggling with? Why do I get jealous? Why do I get angry so often? Why am I so short-tempered? Why am I not satisfied? Or why do I feel like I don't like myself or think people don't like me? So really go in and analyze those things, ask those questions, think of things that happened in your life that led to those, and really analyze it and break it down into little pieces. Because you will find that most of the time these angry feelings you have towards that are, that you externalize, are things that are going on inside you. And once you deal with them, they will disappear. Just like Gem Goddess says this too. And her story is beautiful. So I'm going to post a link at the end. One of my end cards will be to her video about dealing with your shadow self. The next thing that you need to do, and that my law of attraction cheat sheet will help you with, is your daily habits. I included a cute little schedule, my law of attraction schedule. So it tells you what to do at each time of day. And you can see that. I'm gonna post it up here, okay? And it tells you what to do when you wake up. You're gonna set your intention, you're gonna use your affirmations, and you're gonna practice gratitude. So you can just say it in your head if that's all you have time for. You can have a gratitude journal, and maybe even keep it on your desk at work. As soon as you get there, just jot down 5 to 10 things you're grateful for. Even in that moment, it doesn't have to be like huge existential things. It can just be, I'm happy. I'm grateful for the chair I'm sitting in. I'm grateful for the legs that walked me in here. I'm grateful for, you can go from there. Napoleon Hill was a big speaker on persistence. It's the idea that in being persistent, you're able to know exactly what you want and then never stop trying until you get there. So I think it wasn't Ford, it was Edison who was coming up with the light bulb and how to do that incandescent light. Need some coffee. And he tried 10,000 times until he found what worked. And if he had quit along the way, I know he had some help. People are going to pipe in, Tesla helped him. Yes, everybody needs help. We all need to use ideas. Tesla got his own, accolades and recognition for the things he did. But, Edison does get most of the credit for the light bulb. But he didn't quit. That's the point. The next thing, I think I hear some rumblings from upstairs. The last thing that I'm going to mention is this idea of the way of thinking and the way you are, or what you are in general. So in the law of attraction, you get what you are, not what you want. You do not get what you want, you get what you are. So be positive. Say, I am. Okay, so always use I am, and that's so powerful. I am happy. I am okay. I am getting through this. I am successful. I am rich. I am beautiful. I am able to influence other people in a positive way. So say those things. Remember, two emotions or states cannot exist in you at the same time. If you feel garbage, if you feel garbagey, crappy, sick, sad, all those things, stop, feel it for a second, validate it. Okay, this is why I feel this way. And then change it. Move up that spiral of emotion. Aaron Doughty talks about this spiral that goes from the bottom of, all these negative feelings to the top. So he always says to be love or higher. And I agree, love or higher. Love yourself, love where you are, love being in the moment. All of that stuff is really important. It can't exist. You can't be sad and angry and jealous and then happy at the same time. Or you can't be scared as hell and excited at the same time. They do feel similar, but you have to, it's all in the way you frame it, right? Reframe. Okay, guys, that's all I want to do. I'm going to show you guys my cheat sheet. I'm going to put a link to this it's free. At this point, I'm working on helping other people and I'm not monetizing at the moment. I'm not. I really just want to see people enjoying my content and feeling like they're getting something out of it. Okay, so please leave a comment. What is your favorite law of attraction method? What is your favorite idea or concept on my cheat sheet? Okay, so take a look at the cheat sheet there. Tell me, what do you like about it? What do you think? Does something need to be adjusted? What would you put on your cheat sheet if you made your own separate one? Okay, so guys, have a great day. Please go do something you enjoy, do lots of it, and have a great day. Be positive.